So I'm with Glennis from Formula. Glennis, tell us about Formula.
Hi, Lawrence. Yes, Formula is a business that we started about 7 years ago. We're a Melbourne-based business. We make all of our products in Melbourne using contract manufacturers locally, and we specialise in high-protein, premium weight loss products.
So a perfect type of product for this whole, fulfillment last mile experience for your customers.
Yes, definitely. Our customers are always looking for fast service, save them the hassle of going out to stores, looking for car parks. They want to be able to go online, find out what products they want and have them delivered to their door as soon as possible.
Fantastic. So what about, geez, I know you were a little bit late for today's presentation, so a bit naughty, but what was the best thing that you took away from today's presentation?
What I took away is that what I was filled in by my brother is the fact that they can customise the packaging to your products. And that impresses me, and I want to know more about that.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for coming along, and congratulations with all the work that you do with Formula. Look forward to seeing it grow even further.
Thank you, Lawrence.
All right. Thanks, Glennis.